Making beef brisket at home can sometimes be challenging, not with Ding Ding Kitchen. Today, I'm going to be introducing a very delicious and easy to make Chu Hou Lambo, also known as Braised Beef Brisket with Chu Hou sauce. This is so easy to make, I guarantee you, it's easier than taking your pants off after a long day of work. Let's get started. Start by soaking the beef brisket in cold water for about 10 minutes. Next, cut the beef brisket into large pieces about 2 inches thick. Now, place the beef brisket in a pot with cold water and blanch. Once it's boiling, we can pour out the water and rinse. Next, peel and cut the white radish. I like to cut it into large chunks so it doesn't break as easily. Cut the ginger, shallots, green onions, and peel the garlic. To prepare the sauce, we'll need Chu Hou sauce, oyster sauce, light soy sauce, and dark soy sauce. Now we can start cooking. Using your Instant Pot, press the saute function and wait until the pot gets hot. Add some oil and stir fry the ginger until golden. Add the garlic and shallots. Now we can add the green onions. Stir fry until aromatic, then add the beef. Make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. Now we can add the sauce we prepared earlier. Keep stir frying for a few minutes. Add a splash of Shaoxing wine. Then add 3.5 cups of water. For the spices, we're using Staranise, Sichuan Peppercorn, dried tangerine peel, and some Bayleaf. Place it all into a spice bag and tie it together. Add the white radish, now we can change it to the meat function on high pressure for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, release the pressure valve. At this point, the daikon is cooked through, so take it out and set it aside. Now add the rock sugar. Now close the lid again and cook on high pressure for another 20 minutes. This is not sponsored, but this is the Chu Hou sauce that I'll be using today. I've also used this for my recent recipe, Hong Kong style curry fish balls. If you haven't watched the video yet, then make sure to click it after this video. After 20 minutes, natural release for 15 minutes. Then press the pressure release valve. Now take out the soggy thing. Now I know what you're thinking. It smells so delicious and you just want to eat it right now. But trust me, put it in the fridge overnight, reheat the next day, and it's going to taste 30 times better. The next day, we can heat it up in a pot. Now using a stone pot is completely optional, but I find it tastes even better. Once you take out the radish, turn on medium-high heat to reduce the sauce. Once the sauce is thickened, add the radish back in and turn off the heat. Place the lid on and cover for about 5 minutes before serving. Mmm. If you enjoyed today's video, click here to check out another recipe. Or if you didn't enjoy the video, maybe try this one here, please.